Hello children, our today's topic is money. What is money? We know that we all need money to buy anything. If we don't have money, we cannot buy anything. Indian money is in the form of rupees and paise. We have coins and currency notes as Indian money. Money is also known as currency. Different countries have different currencies. This is the symbol for Indian rupee or rupees. You will see this symbol on all the coins and notes of Indian currency or Indian money. So let us understand more about money in today's topic. Now children, before going any further on this topic, I would like to share with you that in olden days, very ancient time, when people did not have money, that time how they used to buy or sell their things. Suppose this is family one and they have vegetables, and there is another family, family two, they have grains with them. Let us say wheat, rice, these kind of things. Now, family 1 has vegetables only and family 2 has grains. Now, if family 2 needs some vegetable, they want to eat some vegetables, they will go to family 1 and they will tell family 1 to give them vegetables. Family 1 will give them vegetable, but only on one condition, that family 2 will share with them or give them their wheat or rice, whatever family 1 needs. So this was the way through which earlier or ancient people used to buy things. This is a kind of exchange of the things. Like one family, one people is having something which another person is not having, so they will exchange. The other person will give whatever the first one is not having, and the first person will give to the another one whatever the another person is not having. So here family 1 will give vegetable to family 2 and family 2 will give their grains to family 1. So this way they used to take or buy the things from others, and there was no money, no need of money in this kind of uh, transaction. So we can say this type of exchanging the things or exchanging the food items of or anything is known as barter system. So what is barter system? Barter system is an act of trading goods. Goods means the things or materials or services between two or more parties without the use of money. Here, there is no need of money. People can exchange their goods or the things with each other, and there is no need of taking or giving money in this system. So, barter system was the thing which was active that time when there was no money, and through this system people used to exchange things. But now we need money if we want to buy or sell anything, so money is very important now. Now children, I'll be showing you some of the currency notes and you have to recognize the value of different notes. The first one is this currency note, and you can see here the number written on this note, it is 5. So this is rupees 5 note. Now another note, you can see here the number written is rupees 10. So this is rupees 10 note. Same way, this is rupees 20 note. And then this is rupees 50 note. So these are the currency notes, and by seeing the numbers on the note, we can find out how much rupees note it is. Let us see more examples. This is 100 rupees note. Since number 100 is written on it, 200. So this is 200 rupee note, 500 rupees note, and this is 2000 rupees note. So these all are the currency notes which we use nowadays. Now there are some coins also. So look at the coins and recognize the value of different coins. This is rupee 1 coin. You can see here, this is rupee 1 and rupees 2 coin. Now 5 is written on this coin. So this is rupees 5 and this is rupees 10 coin. So these are the coins which are used nowadays. Now children, let us see different things seen in a note. First we will see front side. Now this is front side of the note. You can see here picture of father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and you can see national emblem on the note. Then you can see bank name. The name of the bank is Reserve Bank of India, which you can see on the note. Then there are few lines, and these lines are nothing but code for blind people. Now children, let us see different things seen in a note on back side. So this is currency value or denomination, that is rupees 500 written here. Then there is language panel. In this panel, the value of this note is written in different languages. 500 is written in different languages. Then there is, you can see Swachh Bharat emblem. And one more thing you can see here, that is this part. This is Red Fort or Lal Killa. So these are the things which we can see on the back side of our currency note. Now, different things seen in a coin. This part of coin is called tails. This is the front side of the coin, that is called tails. Back side of the coin is called heads. On front side of the coin, we can see currency value or denomination, that is rupees 2 written on it. And on the back side, that is head of the coin, we can see national emblem. So these are the different sides of the coin which we can see. Now children, there are denominations, some of the denominations which come both as notes and coins. Like here, this is 5 rupees note. We also have 5 rupees coin. 10 rupees note. We also have 10 rupees coin. So these we have both the denominations of coins as well as note. Now let us count the given amount of money. We have coin of 10, rupees 5 and rupees 2. So in total, how much it will make? 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 2, 17. So this is rupees 70. We have rupees 17 in all. Now we have three notes of rupees 50. 50, rupees 50, rupees 50 and rupees 50 three times. So this will make in all rupees 150. So this way we can add or subtract money of any of the denominations, but we will add the same way as we do other simple additions. But don't forget to write rupee symbol whenever you are adding or subtracting money. You need to write rupee symbol. Without this, we cannot identify whether we are adding or subtracting money. So in case of money addition subtraction, you need to put the symbol of money. Now it is our activity time. I want you all to do one activity on money, that is coin tracing. So what you have to do, you can take your maths notebook and open any of the page. Below that page, you will be keeping the coins. Like here, you can see 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. So you will take different denominations coin, and then you will be keeping that coin under the page, and above that you are going to trace it with the help of your, or rub that with the help of your pencil, and then you will see that this kind of tracing will come on the other side of the page, and then you have to click photo of this, write down your name, class as well as division, and then you can mail it in your class email ID.